Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we have a lot of things to talk about, so let's get right into it. First off, I just want to say that we are getting a little bit more active in this hurricane season. Currently, right now, we have two disturbances. The first one, I don't think it's going to develop. It's just not developing enough, so it is going to go over land soon, and I don't think it has a high chance. But if it does develop, I don't think it will be a name. I think it will be just tropical depression because I don't think it has enough time to form. But on the other hand, we have this one out here. This has a 30% chance right now in the next 7 days. But the thing about this one is that it's going to be moving into the Caribbean. At this time of year, we don't usually look out here. We look out in like close to home around here in the Gulf of Mexico and some parts of the Caribbean, but not really out here by tropical waves. And these tropical waves are getting strong, like I've been talking about the past few videos. And it's kind of weird. Like I said, during this time, we usually be looking out here during early August or late July. But this one, I think it will develop. There's a little bit of a dust, Sahara dust that's in the air, and a little bit of dry air. But if it gets past that and starts, it will have a lot of favorable environment right here and enough warm water definitely to start forming. But the real question is how fast it will start forming. The faster it starts developing, the most likely it will survive the Sahara dust and then form in the Caribbean. But we just gotta wait and see. This is for next week. By this Saturday, we should be seeing a spin or a low pressure gaining some thunderstorms. But this is gonna be we don't know what's gonna hit. It's just a little too far out to see. Let's check out the GFS model. If we go a little bit forward, we can see the spin up right here in a low pressure system. Was looking at all the different models. This one, I don't think, not that specifically the GFS, but this model run right here. This one is a little bit further out, and I think I don't think, because right here it shows it's gonna be a hurricane, and I don't see that happening. It also shows another system behind it, but I don't know about that. But I am going to check out this model run right here. The one that I think could happen. We see the spin up right here. It does deal with a little bit dry air around here, but that is an issue. And it's just a tropical storm going by here, causing a little bit of rain. Barbados, in Trinidad, the Tobago, the ABC Islands, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and Haiti. But it dissipates real quickly and then goes across the Central America. If we check the European model, the European does not have it developing into a tropical storm, but it is showing a big area of it is showing a low pressure area with rain. So like I said, it's a little too far out to tell, and but we are seeing something in that area. We could see there's a buildup of moisture. It is a tropical disturbance right now, but like I said, I don't think it's going to develop. It is going to go cause a lot of rain, and possibly develop in the Pacific side. This is the system right here that we're looking at, and I don't think this system will get a name at least in the Atlantic side. Now, like I said in one of my videos of why are these things developing at this time, or at least from here. Well, the big play or the big factor that is going to be stopping storms this season is the wind shear and the Sahara dust. Now we can see there's not much wind shear in the Caribbean. There's a little bit in the Gulf of Mexico and a little bit above the system, but there is not much wind shear. There's a lot of Sahara dust though, but there's not much wind shear other than right here. And in the future, there's going to be even less wind shear, which is going to be a big issue for this hurricane season. Now for the forecast, we have these tropical waves coming here, this tropical disturbance, and this tropical disturbance. Over here by Belize, Nicaragua, El Salvador, and around the Central America area. You guys are going to be getting some rain, parts of Mexico as well. Over here in Bahamas as well, it's gonna get some rain. Jamaica might get a few showers. Haiti, Dominican Republic could get a couple showers, but or thunderstorms in the afternoon. But overall, in different areas, it's mostly gonna be dry. Over here, over by Puerto Rico, I don't see much showers going on. Trinidad and Tobago could get a couple showers, but overall, right now we don't have much rain, other than like Central America. But in the Caribbean in general, we don't have much rain. But by when this tropical wave comes through, even if it's not developed, it is gonna bring some welcoming rain to the Caribbean. But that is basically it for this video. We just gotta stay prepared and get ready if anything does develop. I don't see it becoming a hurricane, and a tropical storm is a max I think it's gonna be, but you will never know. Everybody, please stay for praying for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.